So I'm very interested in really trying to understand how our body works and how, for example, from starting from a single cell that we all start, we can actually differentiate into a compendium of very many different organs with very specialized functions. So how exactly the same genetic material in our cells can be interpreted differently is fascinating. And this is an area of research that is very broadly known as the area of epigenetics. And that's what I'm trying to understand, how environmental influences, but also components within our cells generate this plasticity, yet also stability to be able to enable different functions in the cell.
From the scientific perspective, I think a very interesting read is The Double Helix, the personal account from James Watson. I know that it is a bit controversial at times, but nonetheless, it brings this energy when what you're facing, when you're discovering something. It's a very beautiful book to study from that perspective. And the second book I would like to recommend is Snail and the Whale, which I read to my kids every night. Why I find this book really interesting? Because it has a very simple message. A snail is very small, and a whale is very big. Yet this little this snail is able to save the life of a whale because it was stranded on a beach. And the big message of this story is, no matter how small you are, you can make a big difference. You just have to have that vision and that motivation to do so. And I think this is for all of us, that at times we feel that we don't know where we belong and we don't know whether we can make an impact. We can if we really want to. And I think this is a really great story that the children get, but we can also learn from them. And this is why I think it's a great book to recommend.